All right, here's part 2 of the Halloween black cat prop makeover. I got these from Oriental Trading Company. They were a little dinged up from storage, so I repainted using chalk paint first. And then I outlined the cats with white chalk and then painted it white. Now, I highly recommend if you want to repaint these to do both sides, because if you decide later to paint the back, you're going to have some bleed through and you'll have to touch up the front. The effect I wanted was for it to look like light was shining on them or backlit by light. I used bright yellow paint and this worked great. I thought the effect was very effective. I also did a little pinky red in the mouth just to give it a little bit more detail. I kind of wanted this to look sort of folky and handmade, not too perfect. After all, they're just window silhouettes, but what I really liked about this is the silhouettes still work in a window for nighttime, but during the day they have a little bit more of a decorative accent as well. So here they both are. They turned out great. I actually really love these now. I didn't like them before. I was kind of inspired by a decor steel wooden cat cutouts that they had, so I think these turned out really great. They kind of are giving me that vibe. What do you guys think? Aren't they cute?